What iPhone SE2 will be like? iPhone 8 is pretty beautiful, so it would be foolish to bury this design without using it again. True, it is not very clear how Apple will manage to fit a 6.1-inch screen into the body of a 5.5-inch smartphone. Indeed, in this case, she would have to reduce not only the thickness of the frames, but also the protrusions above and below, and therefore the home button. Therefore, we propose to refuse to consider this option in principle. Still, they are unlikely to draw a new design or redraw an existing one in Cupertino, given that the upcoming device should be as cheap as possible, and the extra time to change the project is also money. In principle, the release of two nonlinear smartphones with different diagonals of the display at once is a logical decision, given that Apple was going to use the iPhone 8 case anyway. In this case, the company, without spending too much money, could at the same time install the existing hardware in the iPhone 8 Plus case and, calling it something else, put on sale in order to be able to help out a lot more money. Indeed, as practice has shown, Plus versions of Apple-branded smartphones are in high demand, sometimes even surpassing classic models.